Hello and welcome. Today we'll see how to import Excel data into SPSS. So in order to import your Excel data set into SPSS, first go to the files. From the file you will select open, and from there you will select data, and this will give you a window, and from there you will have to browse to your specific folder where you have put your Excel file. And after going to that folder, you will select the file types. From the drop down list you will see different file types: SPSS, Excel, CSV, Stata, SAS, and many more. And since you are importing Excel dataset, you will select Excel. If other, you will select that one. And once I have selected Excel, you can see all the Excel workbooks that are located in that folder is being showed now. So I want to import this Excel workbook, and when I select it OK and open, it will give me another window. From there I can select the worksheet from that workbook which I want to import into this SPSS. So I want to import this worksheet where I have my interested dataset which I want to import into SPSS. You can also give it range if you want. I don't need to. I want to import the whole thing, and I will click OK, leaving behind what there is, and this will immediately import all the data set that was on to that worksheet we have selected. So here you can see all of my data that was in that worksheet of that workbook is now imported into Excel. So this is how you can import a dataset, Excel dataset into SPSS or any other dataset in other file formats into SPSS. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. So that's it for today. Bye-bye.